Vid.new is a website that allows you to create different kind of videos, convert them to slides, and even start storyboarding ideas for any sort of visual content. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. I'm going to go into the storyboard. I'm going to say, write a story about a boy who discovers unusual, let's say, alien technology and uses it to, let's say, create a robot that can fly. Yeah, let's go with that. Cool. So I'm going to click next, and now it's going to start creating the outline. Now this is actually a product from Google, which I think is quite interesting. So we've got the introduction. We've got a curious boy called Elias exploring the woods near his town, discovering a strange shimmering metallic object, the alien tech, and then a grand idea, building a flying robot, made in flight, and then conclusion. Cool. I'm just going to go with next. Actually, let me just take a look. I think I can edit this if I want to do so I can change, what actually goes on here, and even add other scenes as well. So I'm going to click next, and let's go with interesting sort of template. How about something like, let's go with this, because this already got some trees in it. Let's see. So this is going to be a sample design, and we can take a look at this and see if it's actually good enough. I want to go with this because this is looking pretty decent. So now this is just going to start generating, and we'll just wait and see exactly what it gives us. Cool, so now this is done. Let's check out this video that's been made.
Welcome to the story of Elias, a curious boy who stumbles upon something extraordinary and uses it to change his world. Meet Elias, an imaginative young inventor with a penchant for robotics and exploring the great outdoors. Elias spent his days exploring the dense woods bordering his quiet suburban town. These were his workshops, filled with materials for his next great invention. One afternoon, deep amongst the ferns, he found it, a strange, shimmering, metallic object unlike anything he'd ever seen. This object felt unnervingly light, defying logic and physics. It was clearly not from Earth. Elias carefully brought the curious artifact home. On his workbench, it pulsed with a soft, ethereal light, hinting at hidden power. He spent days analyzing it. The internal components were impossibly intricate, confirming his suspicion. This was advanced, non-earthly technology. Then, a brilliant idea sparked in Elias's mind, connecting his passion for robotics with this alien power source. He realized the artifact contained anti-gravity components. If he could harness that power, he could achieve something truly incredible. His goal was set: integrate the alien tech into his latest scrap metal robot project, transforming it into a machine that could fly. The construction phase began, blending salvaged terrestrial materials with the cutting-edge alien tech. Elias meticulously wired and programmed the alien component, ensuring perfect synergy between Earth engineering and cosmic power. With a deep breath, he made the final connection, attaching the shimmering alien core to the center of his robot's chassis. The moment of truth arrived. It was time to see if his grand experiment would literally take off. Elias carried his creation, which he named Ether, to a wide-open field for its first test flight. A soft hum was the only sound as Ether silently lifted off the ground, hovering perfectly before gliding into the air. The sight was breathtaking. His creation, powered by alien technology, soared above the trees, a silent, graceful testament to ingenuity. Elias had not just built a robot, he had unlocked a new future, all thanks to a piece of tech from the stars. Elias and Ether shared a secret, bound by discovery and engineering. New adventures and unexplored possibilities lay ahead. This was merely the beginning of a remarkable friendship and a technological journey that Elias would pioneer.
Okay, so that was quite interesting.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
It wasn't exactly a video with consistent characters. It was somewhere between a presentation and a video, but I still think it was quite quite notable. Yeah, I mean, there are a whole host of different sort of use cases. I think maybe if you wanted to spruce up some slides or a deck you're working on, then this could potentially be a good way to do it. But ultimately, I think this is an interesting sort of new product that's being offered by Google. It sort of bridges the gap and combines two existing formats into one, which I'm seeing a lot of really nowadays. So if you think this would be useful for you, definitely check it out.